Hi, it's Rena from your library, and I'm here today with a DIY craft project perfect for the fall. We did this craft a few years at the library, and I thought it would be fun to share. So it doesn't take long. It's called a harvest moon jar, and so if that's something that you might be interested, then just keep on watching and let's get started. The Harvest Mason Jar Craft Supply List. A mason jar with or without a lid, acrylic paint with assorted colors, green, orange, black, and yellow, a foam brush, a fine tip paintbrush, hot glue gun and glue sticks, which are optional, a cup of water to clean the brushes, paper towels and paper plate, and scissors. For the embellishments, you can have ribbon, raffia, twine, and even buttons. To get started with your craft, you will want to make sure that you gather all of your craft materials. It's just so much easier that way. And once you have everything you need, you can start painting. And the first thing that I do is paint the jar. So we're going to go ahead and get our color together. And I like to put my hand right there inside so you can actually paint the entire jar in one setting. And you want to paint it in one direction with even strokes. Just like this. And it's okay for the jar to have those really pretty embellishments on there. It just makes the jar look rustic and festive. Just nice even strokes. You need to let it down and turn it and pick it back up. That works too. And once you have this entire jar painted, just let it dry. And then you can start on painting the lid, and we're going to paint this green. So once you have the jar the color that you are wanting, like this, and I think one coat will probably do, especially if you're looking for that rustic color that you're looking for. And so as you can see, the lids are already painted green. I just did one coat on those. And then also, if you're wanting to do a pumpkin face, then this is where you can get the fine tip brush to paint those on. And what I did is I drew them on, and then I went ahead with the fine tip brush and painted those on. And if you're thinking, oh, that's just too much, you can just paint the little lines in green to make the lines of the pumpkin, which makes it really cute. Or you can, if you still want the face, you can use, you can cut out black felt for the eyes, nose, and the mouth as well. Well, here's our finished craft project. And if your jar didn't have a lid, and that's quite okay, you could have just tied brown ribbon or green ribbon around the top. You can even place a votive candle like this inside, or an LED candle, which works really great as well. Either way, just a fun project to do this fall for Thanksgiving. You can even gift it for Christmas as well. The craft supply list and the directions are listed in the description box below. So hope you have fun with it, and happy crafting.